Ilango. I am the Vice President of All India Lawyers Union. The advocates belonging to All India Lawyers Union took up the cause of Vachati people. Vachati people are all Malayali hill tribes, scheduled tribes, and these atrocities took place on 26/1992, and we had filed cases before the High Court, Supreme Court, and finally CBI inquiry was ordered. And CBI conducted its case before the Dharmaburi Special Court, and the verdict was given on 29/9/2011, and there were 269 accused in the case, 108 police officials and forest officials and revenue officials. During the pendency of the case, about 54 officials died, and judgment was rendered against 215 accused, against which all were convicted. And in the writ petition filed by Mr. A. Nallasivan, Secretary of the Communist Party of India, Marxist, who was then a Rajya Sabha member, Justice Abdul Hadi directed CBI to conduct the inquiry. And 1 minute, sir. All 215 accused were convicted, and there are 5 IFS officers in the list of accused. There are Tahsildar, supply officer. All these persons have been made as accused, and they have been convicted now. Against the conviction order passed by the Krishnagiri, Dharmaburi Special Court, all the accused, they filed criminal appeals, 27 criminal appeals before the Honorable High Court of Madras, and that was filed in 2012, 11 and 12. Again, in their appeals, Justice Velmurugan delivered the judgment yesterday, confirming the order passed by the Dharmaburi Special Court and convicted everybody. It agreed with the conviction order passed by the Dharmaburi Court, and certain reliefs have been granted to the victims. All the rape victims have been awarded compensation of rupees 10 lakhs to be paid by this government of Tamil Nadu, and the government of Tamil Nadu has been directed to collect 50% of the compensation amount from the rape accused, and there is a direction to take stringent action against the district collector, superintendent of police, and the district forest officer, who were then the officers of the Harur Dharmaburi district.
And also, there has been stated that there is no case being filed.
Yeah. So initially, when the case was taken up by Tamil Nadu, Communist Party of India, Marxist, and Tamil Nadu Tribals Association, on 1992, a complaint was filed before the Madras High Court, because then there was no procedure of filing. There was no, you cannot directly file public interest litigations. Hence, on the administrative side, we have to file the petitions. It will be scrutinized by the concerned administrative judge, and if it is fit for trial, fit for taking up before the High Court, before the court, it will be listed before the court. But in this case, Justice Padmini Jayasuri, who was the first woman judge of the Madras High Court, declined to refer the matter and stated it is lodged and it does not contain a case which has to be tried. So with that, Mr. Nallasivan, he filed a petition before the Supreme Court under Article 32 of the Constitution of India, and the Supreme Court first bench immediately passed an order transferring that case to Madras High Court, making necessary arrangements, and he directed the Madras High Court dispose of the case as early as possible. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Justice Velmurugan has directed the government to provide government jobs to the victims or to the members of their family. Yes, that's true. See, this is not Ilango as an individual who did the case. It was a team effort led by Ms. Vaigai, Mr. NGR Prasad, Chamki Raj, Subraman, myself. We five did this case in the High Court and Supreme Court. And trial was conducted by the CBI counsel before the Dharmaburi Court. Hats off to him and to the officer who investigated the matter, Mr. Additional SP, Mr. Jagannathan, CBI's Additional SP.